Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this metal hair drain clog removal from the manufacturer Drain Soon for review. It contains 3 snake drains, 30 inches each. It's been upgraded, so let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, this snake drain has recently been upgraded. That has a metal cable with a nylon coated layer, reinforced Velcro design, flexible, easy to use, durable, and eco-friendly and safe. So let's open it up. As I stated earlier, it's been upgraded. The metal snake has been coated with a nylon coating from end to end. And as you can see on the end, it has a Velcro type end so it can snag hair or different things that may be clogged in your drain. Okay, the width of this is 0.23 inches, so it'll fit in small openings of the drain. Okay, this particular drain is not showing signs of being clogged, but it has been clogged several times in the past. Okay, we'll work the snake, get down all the way to the trap. And you can see it's pulled out quite a bit of hair. We'll do it again. So as you can see, quite a bit came from this drain, even though it wasn't showing signs of being stopped up. Okay, let's look at our drain in the shower. It's in the drain good. If there's anything significant comes out, I'll remove the drain. Oh yeah, there's a big clog in there. So let's go ahead and remove the 2 screws. Let's go ahead and run the snake in. Look at that. Okay, place the drain screen back on and screw it down pretty snug. Cleaning out the drains to my sink and shower were very easy using this nylon coated snake here with a Velcro end. Very easy to get in the drain, really without even having to move the screens itself, but I did just for easy access. So I highly recommend this nylon coated and Velcro snake drains.